They will fall deeply in love with you and come back after listening to this. This is not random. This didn't just appear in your awareness by accident. This found you because something is already in motion, something real, something emotional, something that never ended, no matter how it looked on the surface. Someone is still deeply in love with you, not hypothetically, actively. They never stopped feeling you. They never stopped caring for you. They never stopped returning to you in their mind, especially when the world gets quiet and there's nothing left to distract them from the truth. You didn't imagine the connection. You didn't misread it. You didn't hold on to something that wasn't real. What you felt was mutual, and it still is, even through silence, even through distance, even through separation. Love like this doesn't disappear. It waits. It deepens. It matures. They think about you more than you know. In the pauses, in the late hours, in the moments when they are alone with their thoughts and the truth rises without permission. They replay moments with you. They replay words they should have said. They replay choices they wish they made differently. They feel it in their chest, that quiet ache. Not pain, recognition. They feel the weight of what they lost. And more importantly, the weight of what they don't want to lose again. They may have tried to move on. They may have involved other people. They may have distracted themselves, acted cold, acted certain. But that was performance. Underneath it all, the truth kept resurfacing. They can stay busy during the day. They can surround themselves with noise. But at night, when everything slows down, you return. Your name, your face, your energy, your presence. They remember how it felt when you were close, the ease, the chemistry. They remember the way you understood them without making them explain everything. And they miss that. They miss you, not casually, not harmlessly, in a way that changes how they move. They feel you emotionally, strongly, clearly, intensely, not because you are trying to reach them, but because the bond was never broken. You may not be speaking right now. You may not be in contact. There may have been conflict, hurt, distance, time. None of that matters anymore because something shifted. You shifted. You stopped chasing. You stopped begging. You stopped proving. You chose yourself. You focused on your life, your peace, your strength, your stability. You stopped orbiting their behavior. You stopped checking. You stopped reacting. And that was the moment everything changed. Distance weakened the bond. It purified it. It burned away fantasy. It burned away imbalance. It burned away the version of the relationship that couldn't last. What's left now is real. They feel that you are no longer the same person they walked away from. They feel that you are no longer the same person they walked away from. They feel that you are grounded, that you are steady, because the version of them that could stay away is collapsing. The version that could pretend they didn't care is collapsing. The version that could hide behind silence is collapsing, and the truth is rising. They carry a quiet sadness, not regret that paralyzes, but regret that clarifies. Regret that says, I should have done better. I should have said more. I should have stayed. And that regret is turning into action. They can't stay silent much longer. The pull is too strong. The connection is too real. The love is too present. You may feel it too. A calm, a sense of inevitability, a knowing that something is about to happen, that something is aligning, that the waiting phase is over. That's not imagination, that's intuition. You will feel the shift before the message arrives, before the call, before the moment. Your body already knows. This isn't the same relationship returning. This is a new beginning, a new version built on honesty, built on openness, built on mutual readiness. No fantasy, no confusion, no imbalance, just truth. You didn't do anything wrong. You didn't fail the process. You didn't wait too long. You didn't wait too long. You didn't love too much. You trusted, and trust brought you here. You are not here to convince them. You are here to receive, to choose, to allow love to meet you without sacrificing yourself. Stay open. Stay grounded. Stay soft. Not soft in weakness, soft in certainty, soft in self-respect, soft in the knowledge that what is yours returns, because it does. The silence is dissolving. The distance is dissolving. The uncertainty is dissolving. Love was never lost. It's finding its way back to you now. And this time is real. It's consistent. It's committed. It's undeniable. And it's already moving. Type, they are deeply in love with me, to affirm this energy. And if you want your special person to be drawn to you even faster, I can help you. All you need is my free obsession spell. To get my free obsession spell, just visit joybyjanell.com, click the link in the description box below, or click the link in my bio. Subscribe if this video brought you comfort. I'm sending you so much love and light. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will connect with you again in the next video.